infinitely.
Okay, so what we've got for you now, we'll kick this hour off with The Door Lock Clicked by Neville Raper.
The door lock clicked. Was there ever such a final sound? It echoed like the crack of a gunshot in the empty house. One thing I did know was that it felt like a bullet to my dead, red, bleeding heart. I looked at the keys in my hand. They were attached together by a small silver keyring, an iconoclastic symbol of a trip taken, a memory held locked into place by the very keys they protected. The irony wasn't lost on me. The door itself was the PVC kind, perma-white, although I noticed in areas it was starting to yellow like rotting milk teeth. The glass panels were dirty and neglected, much like myself. Empty bottles of milk on the step. One contained the rapidly decaying body of a bloated fat spider. It had crawled in there to find a home, somewhere dry, somewhere safe. Once in, it was trapped and couldn't make its way out. It would rot away and become just a husk of what it used to be. The house was like that now. Just a husk, a shell that, like an egg, contained life and the potential for more. It had been cracked and emptied, stripped of all belongings, furniture, fittings and feelings. A corpse whose soul had departed. To a better place? I turned and handed the keys to the spectre behind me. Like a ghoul he held out his hands. Golem the estate agent, his suit as shiny as the mucus on a slug. He took them from me as a greedy, grasping child. I swear he was salivating. "Congratulations, Mr. Snow. The fund will be transferred to your account within the next hour." I said nothing. Unlike him, my mouth was too dry. In contrast, my tear ducts felt too full. I turned to my car and turned my back on my history. This pattern always seemed to repeat itself. Optimism adjoining plans for the future, building, making. Then failure, the collapse, finger-pointing nights in separate beds. Loneliness within one's own home. Finding reasons not to return, looking for succour in the bottom of a bottle or the arms of some cheap, needy woman. Always looking for something, but never knowing what it is. Love, sex, affirmation, proof of one's existence. Wearing the mask of success, the cars, the suits, the smile. But there are always consequences. Always walking away. Always leaving with less than you arrived with. In America, this is seen as a romantic lifestyle. King of the road. In reality, it's purgatory. The need burns, the hunger screams, it can never be sated, only morphined down by chemical intervention. I'm bright and self-aware enough to realise why I do what I do, but not to break out of my lifestyle addiction. I'm a Pavlov's dog of life's conditioning. I climb into my car, sigh, rub my moist eyes. I look in the rearview mirror. I've been doing that all my life. And set up my winning smile. Turning the key, the engine growled its disapproval of me. Place the car into gear and roll away. Always away. It was only a matter of time before they found the bodies.
Okay, that was Neville Raper and The Door Lock Clicked. If you like